Do I dare ask you to call your next witness?
Hey, once upon a time, long ago, I could care less about life or so. I was so miserable indeed, not knowing the Joe we all need. I had an epiphany of something new, so I put my mind to my life too. What if I made videos? I'll call Cracks of Life on everyone knows. They will love being on my Cracks of Life. That's better title to fit my life. I love my life and my family and friends and all the joy I get in the end. I make these episodes all the time, even though not all the footage is mine. It won't stop me from having a time or expressing all the ties that bind. This is my way to purge my strife. These are my Cracks of Life. Are you cool with it?
Yes.
Do you roll with it?
Oh, hell yeah.
Will you talk about it?
I heard that.
Will you subscribe today? Will you laugh alright? With my Cracks of Life? Please tell me that you like.
I like it.
And I did it alright.
Licensed to kill gophers by the government of the United Nations. Man free to kill gophers at will. To kill, you must know your enemy. In this case, my enemy is a varmint. And a varmint will never quit. Ever.
Guys, check out how we glow.
Oh, yeah. I like this.
I'm blue. It's not my favorite color, but it's cool.
Oh, I'm black.
What?
I am.
No, you're not.
Stand it anymore. I've got to get out of here. I've got to get out of here.
You gotta be shitting me! You can't keep me cooped up in here, okay? I am a peacock! You gotta let me fly!
Did he just call himself a peacock?
I gotta get inside this dude's belt and crawl around for a few days. Who is the gopher's ally? His friend. The harmless squirrel and the friendly rabbit.
Boobs.
Boobs, Ozzy.
These filmmakers are just boobs.
My money and I need it now.
It's my money and I need it now!
It's my money and I need it now.
It's my money, and I need it now.
Shut the fuck up!
Everything that pops into my head while I enjoy the enormous fortune your parents left behind.
Kitty, warm kitty,
Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fun.
sleepy kitty,
Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr, purr.
any coins, huh? Do you even know who she was? She was,
I got a joke. How many subscribers to use a dime? 10 subscribers!
You got a major screw loose.
I wish I were a fish.
Oh, no you don't.
It's very complex. Mm-hmm. If the pizza man truly loves this babysitter, why does he keep slapping her rear? Perhaps she's done something wrong.
Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur.
Believe that, son.
I could look at it all day.